Alright, what is up, you guys? Don't mind the janky hair, dirty hands, and Dragon Ball Z fit. Like I said, I wanted to get more content out for you guys, like frequently, not just every once a week or twice a month or whatever it is I was doing before. Today we are actually replacing the old janky fender with a brand new, well, new to me fender. And so for those of you guys who have been here for a while, you remember I went to H20i last year.
Yeah! Someone should give that guy a ticket. I think he was speeding.
And it was fun and all, but a lot of crazy stuff happened. So I am gonna go again this year. Me, Pedro, and a couple other boys were going down, and I just want to kind of get the car cosmetically ready and also mechanical wise ready to drive down there. So first things first, I want to do most of the body work so that I have a presentable looking car. And after that, I am, like I said, going to be getting an external wastegate. I already have the STI top feed pink injectors. I'm going to be buying a new VF48 turbo, and I'm also going to be getting tuned by our boy Matt Miner, so we'll actually be running properly. Also, another big shout out to Pedro. He gave me a complete spare motor for free. All it needs is head gaskets. So we already got the fender off, and we're just going to go ahead and throw it on. We're going to start painting tomorrow. Same thing with the quarter panel over there. Also just did a couple small things like relining up the door. So if you guys remember, I got wagon doors. So this is a front wagon door. The rear is a regular GD sedan door. But the problem I was having before was right here wasn't lining up. It was a lot higher, so the window was getting caught on the door sill up here. And you can even see now the window doesn't line up completely perfect because it's a wagon door, so I need to get, honestly, just some new glass, which I'll do some point later. But we got it to pretty much match the body line, and this gap here is a lot better than it was before, so I'm happy. And also, like I said, we're going to start getting rid of most of this tomorrow. We're going to Bondo and actually get this to look proper. It's a lot better than it did before. The only thing I'm genuinely concerned about is just this bottom piece right here. We're just gonna self-tap it, but I mean, I'm not too worried about it, I guess. Also ended up just taking the fender liner out because I mean, it was just pretty pointless. And also the little bracket for the stock airbox, because clearly don't have that anymore. You can see where my up pipe is cracked. It's right at the catalytic converter. Definitely gonna throw that Grimspeed one on sooner rather than later. And also, I should definitely spray all this stuff down, like the sway bar links and everything, just so I can, you know, do it later. I just want to make it look presentable, make it feel presentable, and like be able to drive how I used to drive. So, yeah. When you twist metal like it's paper.
Basically should be.
Like,
Should be.
Now it's, hey, no shit talking out here.
Hey.
Just
You
so
really
everyone,
want this hack job shit to be on the internet?
dude, just so everyone's aware, this was already done before we did this. Like, all of that was already there.
This needs to come in just a tiny bit up top.
What,
Get a
the
side
bolt that's right here?
Yeah, get a side look at it. This from right here up needs to go in. But the rest is pretty nice.
I see exactly what you're talking about, right there.
The rest is pretty nice though, I'm not gonna lie.
No, yeah, definitely.
But we could probably torque that out by tightening the bolts.
You think so?
Yes.
Alright.
The more we push this fender in, the more that loosen the one in there and crank the fender in. But we also, before we start playing with this shit up here, tighten all the ones on the bottom.
Gotta get
this. We need to get the hood gap right. So we need to shut the hood,
right.
slip it over, leave it. Someone's gonna have to leave their hand on there and just run it back and forth. And we'll put the plastic shims in there, make sure everything's straight.
Alright, yeah, I guess let me throw the headlight back in first. I think that has to go in first,
Yeah, you
right?
want to tighten this up first, though. This, and you want to get the bolt that's right here.
Yep, so let me actually grab that right now.
then we'll slip the headlight in, get the headlight bolt in, and then that way you could just we'll worry about the grill after.
Right. Fenders on, wheels are torqued. I didn't do it, but Steven was thinking ahead and actually sprayed some undercoating on the wheel well and kind of just under the car to prevent more rust from coming. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side and just take the wheel. And tomorrow, come back. We're gonna do the quarter panel.
Undercoated. Well, we'll do some of the quarter.
Oh, so, okay. I guess we're gonna do some of it today too. So I mean, currently right now we're going to get some food because we hungry.
We hungry.
Do a burnout.
They'll probably die.
He'll probably die. No, you can do it.
In a second.
Bam. We're gonna keep that in here as a memento. That's gonna be great.
Dude, you know what I have to do? I had a bunch of old Texas gas signs.
Yeah, let that hang now.
Hell yeah.
Watch, it's gonna fall down.
Hell yeah, folks. Look at that. Give me a high five.
I'm not a fan of it.
Give me a high five. We out here. He just hates Subarus, guys. It's fine.
I'm the creator of that.
Your boy needed some antifreeze because we opened up the hood and popped the cap and there was nothing there. So
You bled it last, right?
yeah, I bled it when I did the clutch and the flywheel and stuff.